Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious gelatin salad. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious dessert, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 1 pound of strawberries, 6 ounces of strawberry gelatin, 6 ounces of lime gelatin, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of vanilla yogurt, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to start by making our gelatin. So we're going to grab 2 cups of boiling hot water. We're going to throw in our gelatin and just dissolve it. Alright, so once that has dissolved, we're going to add our 2 cups of ice cold water. Okay, so now we're just going to do the same to our next gelatin. So just dissolve that. Okay, so we're going to add our ice cold water. And once we have both of our gelatins, now we're going to transfer them into our baking dish. Alright, so now we're going to lightly spray our baking dish with our cooking spray. Just remove the excess. And now we're going to add our gelatin. Okay, so we're going to set it to the side and do the same to our green one. Okay, so spray it. Okay, so once we have both of our gelatins in our baking dish, now we're going to set it in the refrigerator and allow it to sit for about 4 hours or overnight. Alrighty guys, so once our gelatin is ready, we're going to make our crema. So in our blender, we're going to add our sweetened condensed milk, our yogurt, our heavy cream, sour cream, evaporated milk, and vanilla. So now we're just going to blend until everything is nice and combined. Alright, so once we have our crema, now we're just going to transfer into a bowl. And now we're going to let it sit in our refrigerator for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we can chop our strawberries. Cut them to your liking. Alright, so once we have our strawberries, now we are ready to put our gelatin together. Okay, guys, so now we're going to grab our gelatin and we're going to cut into small squares. So just cut into lines. Alright, and then flip it over and do the same to the other side. Okay, so I'm just going to grab a cookie sheet. We're just going to flip them over so we can get all of the gelatin out. And just get out all of the pieces that got stuck. Alright, so I'm just going to transfer my little blocks of Jell-O into a bowl. And this is where we're going to be mixing our salad. Alright, so now we're repeating the same process to our green gelatin. So flip it over. Alright, so now we're going to throw in our strawberries along with our delicious cream. And just move it around. Okay, so we're just going to mix everything together. And we're going to place it back in the refrigerator so like that la crema can set. Alright guys, so after 30 minutes, we are now ready for the fun part, serving. So just make sure that you mix it. Grab your gelatin with your crema. Okay, and now we are ready to top it. Alright, so of course you can top it with whatever you want. I like to top mine with coconut, almonds, and granola. Just going to add a little strawberry, and now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that if you like fresas con cremas, biónicos, or anything that has to do with crema, you're going to love this. This is perfect, you know, for parties, especially now for upcoming Christmas, New Year's. You can change the gelatin for the the color of the theme of your party. And there you go, you can get fancy with it, and everybody is going to enjoy it. Of course, make sure that you put more strawberries. You know, my kids ate the ones that I have, so this is all I added. But when you add a lot more strawberries, let me tell you that it just tastes so much better. But hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. I'm telling you, seriously, it's super delicious. It's not too sweet. It's just the perfect sweetness, and then the crunch of the granola, you know, the almonds, the coconut, the gelatin is just perfect. It's the best combination ever. So I hope you give it a try and share it with your family and friends. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious gelatin salad. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.